Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a login system using PHP and MySQL as our backend database. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. We are gradually growing in terms of numbers. Thank you very much to your support, your comments, suggestions. So before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Right now I'm running the code. So we have here, my login system is very simple, just CSS and HTML and PHP. HTML5. So we have here the title, login system in PHP and MySQL, created by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, Maed IT, MIT. So here we have here a text box, and then we have here username and password. So let's say for example I have a right username and password. So when we click OK, it will display the main page and then the name of the user, Jacob Samuel Pomperada, my older son, and then we log out. Okay, so if the username is wrong and then the password is correct, our program will also tells you that your username that you have given is invalid, try again, return to login page. How about if your username is correct and then your password is wrong? So when I click invalid password, try again. So let's say for example I have a right username and password. It will display this welcome page, welcome Jake Pomperada, logout. Actually guys, the original code of this login system in PHP and MySQL that I wrote at least 3 years ago is using the old command in PHP my_connect, which is no longer depreciated, no longer used in your version of PHP 7. So I converted the code into MySQL I procedural code so that there should be a compatibility, no? So let us go on the code. Let us go first to the database. So localhost PHP my admin. So here I have here that a database login, and then we have here a list of users. Okay, so let's say for example I want to add a new user. Let's say for example username is Lydia, the name of my mom, and then password, let's say for example Lydia also. And then last name I have here Pomperada. I would like to make it capital letters. First name Lydia, and then I will click the go command. Now we have already a new record, Lydia, username and password. This is just for demonstration purposes, Lydia Pomperada, so we can encrypt the password actually. So when I go here and then I will type Lydia, it is case sensitive, so it should be Lydia. When I click OK, so it is accepted. Welcome page, welcome Lydia Pomperada, can be seen in our table, which is the users. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code for free in my website. So let us go with the code. Okay, so here we have here the folder connect_to_database. So we have here PHP $con MySQL localhost root. I don't have password. The database is login, and then MySQL _select_db connect login is the name of the database. So let us go for next to the login. So we have here include file, connection string, sessions, and then HTML, the title of our program, So required HTML5. So whatever the username and password that is being provided, username here and password, it will be sent in the login underscore process.php post. So here, let us go in the login underscore process PHP. So we have here a series of command, include this connection to the database session, and then we have here a series of queries to check whether the username and password is correct. No, if the condition is equal 0, meaning the username cannot be found, it will display this message. And then the password fetch roam, and then session, it will display the first name, concatenates the first name and then the last name also with the session. If the password is invalid, the message will be displayed. So very simple, no? Very easy to understand. For the home.php session again, and then here display the name of the person using the first name and then the last name of the session. So for the logout, so session unset, destroy the session in back to our login again and in exit. So for the users SQL, so we have here the login and then the table users insert of records. So let us go back to our program. So when I refresh, log out, 1, 2, 3, go. So Jake. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope guys that you have learned something new in our video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. And click the notification bell for you will be notified with my newly uploaded video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.